like to look at adding fractions now. We're going to start to discuss adding and subtraction of fractions. The first place we need to start with is when we're adding fractions with a common denominator. When we add fractions with a common denominator, the plan it goes, keep the denominator, then add the numerators. 3 plus the 4, all over the 11, or just 7 11ths. Basically, we're saying 3 parts of 11 plus 4 parts of 11 gives me 7 parts of 11. Subtraction is the same. If I have a common denominator, keep it, then perform the operation as indicated. 11 take away a 5, which gives me a 6. And if I can reduce, please do so. 6/12 is a 6 times a 1 over 6 times a 2. The 6 over 6 is a clever version of 1. I'm left with a 1/2. And then the last part, 5 1/4 take away 2 3/4. All right, it can be done if you got your tape measure. I understand that, but generally it's going to be easier to change them over. So 21/4 take away 8, 9, 10, 11, 11/4. That gives me 10/4. I can reduce that down to 2 times a 5 over a 2 times a 2. There's my clever version of 1. And so I'm left with the 5/2, or as I mentioned before, you can rewrite it as a 2 1/2. Only because you started with a mixed number, you can return it to a mixed number.